In this video today, I'm going to walk you through Niki Livestream app for beginners. I'll show you how to get started, how live streaming works, how agencies and agents function on the platform, and how withdrawals generally work. This is an overview to help you understand the app and decide if it's right for you. Now, what is the Niki Livestream app? Niki is a live stream platform where creators go live, interact with viewers, and receive virtual gifts during streams. Like many live stream apps, creators earn based on engagement and the platform rules.
To begin, download the Niki app from Play Store or App Store using the official link. Once installed, open the app and create an account. You can register using the available sign-up options and complete your basic profile. Now, after setting up your account, you see the option to go live. Before going live, the app may ask you to complete your face authentication or verification. Now, once that's done, you can start streaming and interacting with viewers in real time.
How agencies work on Niki. On Niki Live, some creators can choose to join an agency. Now, who is an agent or an agency? An agent is one who usually helps or guides new streamers on the app. Joining an agency is optional, but it's more common for beginners who want support.
To join an agency, you need to be invited by an agent. You can use the invite link below to join. Now, always make sure you're joining a legitimate in-app listed agency and read the terms carefully before agreeing.
Apart from being a streamer, some users also choose to become agents. Now, these agents usually help recruit and manage new streamers and earn based on the platform's agent structure. Agent requirements and eligibility depends on the app's rules, so you can always check for latest information in the app. And when you're ready to become an agent, you can use the official agent's link in the comment section below.
Earnings on Niki usually come from virtual gifts received during live streams or rewards for live streaming. These earnings are converted based on the platform's system to what is called beans on Niki Live. These beans can be later withdrawn as cash. Now, when it comes to withdrawals, you must meet the minimum withdrawal requirements and use the supported withdrawal methods shown in the app. Once you've met the minimum withdrawal requirement, you're ready to withdraw. Tap on your Biz balance, tap on your income, tap on withdraw. Click here to select your preferred payment method. Once selected, you type in your withdrawal amount. And finally, click on withdraw. Withdrawal times and availability depend on the platform's policies, so you have to wait for them to confirm your payment. Once sent out, you will receive a notification directly in the app. It is important to note that results vary for everyone, and this is not a guarantee of income. Always follow the app's community guidelines and terms of service.
Now, that's a simple beginner overview of how the Niki Livestream app works, from getting started, live streaming, then agencies and withdrawals. If you found this helpful, please feel free to like this video and leave a comment with any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.